What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Anker PowerCore Plus 20,100 milliamp portable battery charger. I picked this up off of Amazon for about $65 with free shipping. There are times where you can pick it up for about $60 on sale, so you guys keep a lookout. But yeah, this is the USB-C version. So it can charge basically any device that has a USB-C connector on it. But yeah, so here it is in the box. The box is actually very, very minimalistic. It's just kind of a blue and white design. It says Anker right there on the top. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. So anyway, I mainly bought this primarily to be using with my MacBook Pro, the one that has the USB-C connectors on it, or the 2017 model rather. But anyway, so inside here we have a little documentation. You have happy and then not happy, which is kind of funny. Basically what this is their contact form. And then anyway, so here is the actual charger itself. It is actually really, really heavy, considering it is a super dense charger. Holding this in my hand, it's at least probably a couple pounds. Or maybe 1.5, I'm not entirely sure, but it is definitely heavy. Let's go ahead and rip it open here. So here's the actual charger. It's, again, very minimalistic. It's made out of entirely metal, which is really good. It says Anker right there. But yeah, I'll get back to that in just 1 second once we get the rest of the stuff out of the box here. That has all of the wires and connectors and everything in it. So we got all of these. So first up we have the USB-C to USB-A cable, and basically this is the cable that you use to charge the actual charger itself. Then we have a USB-C to USB-C, basically so you can charge USB-C devices using the USB-C port on the actual battery. So that's pretty cool. And then you have a USB-A to micro USB for micro USB devices such as Android phones and what have you there. So it's cool that it comes with all of these various different types of cables to get you started. And then on the other side here on the bottom, we have a little carrying pouch so you can put the charger in and basically keep it protected if you drop it or things like that, because it does have a little bit of padding to it, which is nice. Anyway, let's move all this off. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charger real quick itself. And then right here we have the on-off button, which also doubles as the power indicator, showing you how much power you have left in the charger. And then on this side we have these two standard USB 3.0 charging ports for basic USB charging for any device that supports that. And then we have the USB-C connector, which is used to charge the actual device itself, as well as charge USB-C enabled devices, such as a MacBook and or MacBook Pro or Android phones that have USB-C connectors in them. And then other than that, that is basically it on this device. There is pretty much nothing else. So anyway, the way you would charge this is Anker recommends you use the Anker 2.0 fast charger wall adapter that unfortunately does not come supplied in the box, which is kind of a bummer. So you do have to buy that adapter separately because this charger is such a high capacity. It does take quite a significant amount of time to actually charge it to 100%. So if you're basically just going to use it or charge it via a computer's USB port, or you're going to charge it with a standard wall adapter, it could take anywhere between 10 to 11 hours to fully charge it, which is pretty insane. So that is why they recommend using that Anker adapter, because you can fully charge it within about 8 hours time. So you could basically plug it in at night before you go to bed, and it'll be fully charged when you wake up in the morning. Yeah, I will post a link to both of these things down below, so you'll post a link to the charger as well as the adapter if you guys are interested. But anyway, let's go ahead and give a quick demonstration of how this would work and kind of how I'm initially going to use it on a daily basis. So here I have my 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro. So the battery capacity of this is just over 4,000 milliamp. So this portable charger here should, in theory, charge the MacBook Pro about 2 to 3 times to 100%. Hopefully. That is what I'm hoping is going to happen. But anyway, so yeah, it's pretty simple on how to charge the MacBook Pro. So all you have to do is essentially plug it into the USB-C port here, like you normally would. And then on the charger itself, you want to make sure you press the power button first before connecting the device via USB-C. Because if you don't, the power will essentially be inverted, and the MacBook Pro will then start charging the portable charger and siphoning power from your computer to the device, to the charger, which is essentially not what you're wanting to do right now. But anyway, so press it. You see all the lights light up, and then you can connect it here. There you go. So the MacBook just made the little charging sound, and we are now charging a MacBook Pro using this portable charger. So really cool. Now, one thing to note is on the website, Anker notes or specifies that the 2016 and 2017 MacBook Pros are not actually initially supported with this device. Which I don't know why they would say that, because from my tests so far, as you can see here, it's working fine. I mean, it's charging it just as it normally would be, as if I plugged it into an outlet. So, yeah, I don't know why. But anyway, so that's how you would charge a MacBook Pro via the USB-C connector. So that's been my unboxing and a quick look at the Anker PowerCore Plus 20,100 milliamp portable charger. So, again, I will provide links in the description for both of these items here, the charger as well as the wall adapter. And yeah, so that's basically it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. It is greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That is also much, much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments or anything of such, or need help, whatever have you, drop a comment below, and I will try to help you guys the best as I possibly can. And yeah. With that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.